everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy 1st of December. The best month of the year has officially begun. I feel like my backdrop should be more Christmassy, but let me reassure you, I am full of the Christmas spirit. So this video is in partnership with Studio. I work with Studio on a monthly basis. I absolutely love it. It's the favourite part of my month. And this month it is all about Christmas party wear. But then I thought it's actually probably relevant to New Year's Eve as well. So it's Christmas and New Year's Eve party wear. I have gone to town. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 things to try on for you guys. If you can't get glitzy and glammy at Christmas, then when can you? So I went all out. Some of them are very glitzy, some of them are more low-key, some of them are not your traditional Christmas dress. I've tried to mix it up a little bit. Everything that I talk about is going to be linked in the description box below, all of these beautiful dresses that I'm going to share with you, and I'll let you know the prices, what size I'm wearing, everything, so I'll make this video as useful as possible. The first thing I'm actually going to show you is the shoes that I'm going to wear with every single dress in this try on. Studio had a huge selection of shoes, but these were by far my favourite. I think you cannot go wrong with a nude heel. It can go with anything. Find me a colour that wouldn't go with this. So if you're going to invest in a pair of high heels for this Christmas season, I suggest nude. Or black. I mean, you can never go wrong with black either. These are called the Strappy Block high heel shoes. Again, I just can't do stilettos. Hands up to you girls who trot around for hours on end on those little needle thin stilettos. I just can't do it. So block heels are for me. They're so much comfier and I don't feel like I'm gonna break my ankle. I got mine obviously in the colour nude and I got mine in a size 6, if that's relevant to you. So I wanted to share those because if you're going to invest in a party dress, invest in some shoes. Also, these beautiful heels are £12. £12. I mean, that is just a steal. Okay, the first dress I'm going to try on for you is called the Solid Sequin dress. I got this in a size 8-10 and this colour is called gold. I would call it a sort of rose gold, but it is what it says on the tin. It's literally a solid sequin dress. So if you are looking for a bit of sparkle this Christmas, this is probably the sparkliest one I could find. It's pretty fitted and it's sort of just below knee length, I think, although I haven't tried it on yet. And this beauty is only £18, so this is the first one I'm gonna try on. And here it is. I love it. And the first thing I noticed when I was putting it on, because I did pick it up and think, that looks a little tight. Obviously, I'm a mum. Tight things aren't always my friend. But it is so stretchy. There is some serious give in this fabric, so it's actually a lot more flattering than I thought it was going to be. And here it is in full length. So as you can see, it's sort of a bodycon shape, but it's not too tight, and it has this stitching across the middle that sort of like cinches it in a little bit. But I really love the colour. I love the way it sort of catches the light. I would definitely describe this as more of a rose gold, which is my favourite kind of gold. As a first dress that I'm trying on for this haul, I just couldn't be happier with this one. Such a bargain for £18, and like I said, if you're looking for something really sparkly for Christmas, this can't be any sparklier. Okay, the next one I'm going to try is called the Velvet Pleat Wrap Over dress. As you can see, it is a gorgeous velvet material. I love velvet, especially in the Christmas season. I love velvet, especially in the Christmas season, and it's that wrap over style, which again is flattering if you're not so comfortable with your middle area like I'm not. This one is £15, so even cheaper than the one I'm wearing now, and I'm going to try this one on now. And here it is. I was just thinking it would look really nice with a sort of low necklace because of the deep V. But even though it is a deep V, I don't feel like too exposed because of that wrap detail. Like I feel like I'm still nicely covered. The material just feels so expensive and luxurious. And here it is in full. So we've got that wrap detail where it cinches in at the waist and then falls down, and it ends sort of just above my knee I just think that's a really nice simple party dress, but again, it could be jazzed up. You could even put a waist belt with it if you wanted to make it a bit glitzier. Like I said, some nice sparkly jewellery, maybe a sparkly bag, or just keep it basic. This is just a really lovely sort of blank canvas to work with. And for £15, I actually had to double check that price because I was like, it can't be £15, but it is. It's just such a bargain. Okay, the next one I'm going to try is called the Satin Black Floral Maxi Wrap Dress. So this is the only maxi dress that I've got in my collection, and it's not your normal Christmas party print, but I thought actually I love that, and that could be really used at a Christmas party or any sort of occasion, New Year's Eve, and I'm going to show you how I would wear it. And here it is. I forgot to mention that this dress is £13, so the cheapest one of all by far. Well, the cheapest one so far. There might be one that's cheaper, but it's very cheap. So I am in love with the fabric. I feel like it's a sort of geisha feel going on. It's just beautiful, and actually it could easily be a Christmas New Year's Eve dress. Obviously it's quite low cut. I am quite, what's the word, full in that area. So things being low cut are not a problem for me, but you might, if you were not so full in that area, you might want to put like a boob tube or a crop top or something underneath. But here it is, and it is just beautiful. So it is maxi, it goes right down to the floor. Obviously it's cinched in the middle, and it has this cut down here where it is a wrap dress. But I'm just so in love with this print. I just think it's beautiful. A basic black bag or a nude bag. Obviously I've got the nude shoes that go perfectly. It's just something a bit different. It's not your normal sparkly Christmas dress. It is just a beautiful dress that you could easily wear for Christmas and New Year's Eve, but also any other occasion as well. So the next one I'm going to try is the Studio long sleeve sequin dress. It is probably the most luxurious of all of the dresses that I'm trying. It is incredible. It reminds me of something you'd wear to like an award show or something. The detail on here. I mean, if this was in a high street shop, I would expect to spend about, I don't know, minimum £50 on something like this, and this is £25 from Studio. I got mine in a size 8. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have got a size 10, but there is a zip down the side, which is reassuring. But I'll put it on now and I'll let you know. Okay, something I've learned about this absolute beauty of a dress is that I should have sized up. Maybe I'm dreaming that I'm always a standard 8, but I think where the detail is so intricate, it doesn't give you as much wiggle room as the other sequin dress. So to get it on, I would definitely suggest sizing up. I just wasn't able to get it over me. It was just a bit too tight. It was just such a shame because it's just so beautiful. I mean, just look at it. This is the just look at it. This was the one I was most excited about wearing, and I'm definitely going to swap it for the larger size. So this is an 8. I'm very much a standard towards larger 8. So I think if I swap this for a 10, it would be absolutely fine. So if you want to invest in this beauty, which my goodness you should, I just can't stop looking at the detail, size up. Okay, the quality though is just incredible, and oh, I was just so excited to wear it. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going to order it in the size up because I'm desperate to wear this for New Year's Eve. Perfect New Year's Eve dress. Just need it in a bigger size. Okay, this very much makes up for me being too large for the previous dress. This is my favourite. This is called the Lurex Knit Tulip dress. It is £18 and I got mine in the colour blush, but it also comes in a grey as well. And I'll just show you it in full because it's just stunning. Here it is. So as you can see, it's called a tulip dress because of the wrap and sort of effect we've got here. It cinches in at the waist, which is always good, and then it has this beautiful effect at the front. The material is sparkly, which is just that perfect Christmas feel, New Year's Eve feel that you are looking for. So if maybe the full sequin dresses were a bit too much for you, this might be the perfect medium. It's definitely a favourite of mine, and for £18 it's just such a bargain. It goes so perfectly. I've taken one off. It goes so perfectly with these nude shoes as well, just a perfect shade together. This is also in a size 8, but because of the difference in fabric, that it's Lurex and it's so stretchy, obviously it's not a problem. Okay, the last one I'm going to try on for you guys is actually a skirt. I'm finishing with a skirt today, because skirts, dresses, they can be just as smart as each other. This is called the scarf print pleated skirt, and the first thing that sold it to me was the print. How stunning is that? I've become a huge fan of skirts. I never used to be a big skirty person, but over this last couple of seasons I've got more into them, and they can be so smart if you dress them in the right way. Now, to show you how easily this can be mixed and matched, I'm actually just going to put this skirt over this wrap dress, and there you go, you've got a whole new outfit just by popping this beautiful skirt on top. This skirt is £15, and I cannot express to you the quality. It's so thick, it's lined as well, and I just love the pleat detail. I've just whacked it straight over the top of this, so it gives the illusion of just being matched with a wrap top. But you can match this skirt with anything. If you wanted to go more casual, maybe I'd match it with a polo neck, like a black polo neck top. That's the beauty of a skirt, is you can just mix and match and do what you like with it. And skirts should never be forgotten, you know, they can be just as smart for a party occasion as a dress. This is in a size 8-10 and it's got a really stretchy waist, so it's a perfect fit. So there you have it. There are my best picks for the Christmas party season from Studio this winter. I hope you love them just as much as me. I'm obsessed with all of them. I think this one probably is my favourite one. This is absolutely going to be my New Year's Eve dress. I'm just going to change it for a larger size, so there's a tip for you if you are going to treat yourself to this beauty. Size up from your normal size. But all of them I'm just so happy with, as usual. The quality is always there with Studio. I've linked all of the items down below for you to have a look for yourself. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Christmas, although you will see me a lot more before Christmas comes around. Got a lot of Christmas videos on the way. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.